Hello friends, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can solve charging problem on your Honor X7b. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video on your Honor X7b to fix charging problem.